Today we're going to talk about two uses of commas. There are several ways or reasons why you use commas. We're only going to talk about two today. One is now direct address. One time my sister and I, who's a nurse, were having an argument. I can't say argument. We're having a friendly discussion about how you are to use commas. And she's like, oh, you're just crazy about this grammar and stuff. I was like, if you're a nurse, if you write the wrong name of a drug down and then someone takes it, they could lose their life. And she was like, yeah, but English isn't that big of a deal. I was like, you don't know that. A comma can save somebody's life. And she was like, it cannot. I was like, I'll prove it to you. And to this day, she sort of agreed with me, but she never just really gave me my whole, yeah, thumbs up, you're right. So I'm going to show you how a comma can save a life. And it's related to down of direct address. Simple sentence. Let's eat fried chicken. Makes sense, right? You're good with that? Let's eat fried chicken? Okay. Now, let's do this. Let's eat grandma. Put a period right here. So, we ate fried chicken, right? In this sentence, what did we eat? Grandma. You going to use hot sauce with grandma or what? How can we say grandma's life?
Comma
Before, after what?
Eat.
Eat. So now what are we saying?
Let's eat, Grandma.
We're talking to grandma, right? So that is a noun of direct address. You see how we just say grandma's life? I proved that to my sister too. Okay. Now we're going to talk about a noun of direct address. They don't have to save a life. Just because we set the noun of direct address off with a comma. That means whoever you're talking to, you put a comma before or after name. And it has to do with where the person who you're talking to's name is in the sentence, okay? I use my kids, as usual. BJ, you're late for church. Who are we talking to?
BJ.
So where's the comma going to go?
Right
After
behind
BJ.
After BJ. Okay? Next one. Matt, it's too late to go to the mall. Where we going to put the comma?
After Matt.
After Matt. And then we have another sentence. If you eat late, Seth, you'll stay up all night. Who are we talking to?
Said.
So we're going to put the comma at.
Before
After
said.
Where?
Before said.
I heard before and I heard after.
Before
After.
said.
Okay, you're going to put it after.
No.
And
Oh,
where we going to put it at?
before said.
Wait, what?
How about both? Because it's in the middle of the sentence.
That-
See that? Can we say, if you eat late, you will stay up all night? Correct. The comma lets you know that whatever's around the comma, you could leave it out in the sentence to make sense. So that's how we know it goes before and after the noun of direct address. If the noun of direct address is what? In the middle of the sentence, correct? Does that make sense? What if we had the noun direct address at the end of the sentence, which I meant to write this sentence like that? What if I say, it's too late to go to the mall, Matt? Where am I? If Matt is at the end, where am I going to have the comma at? Before Matt. Okay, so now we understand that. It's another thing, another reason why you could use a comma, and it's called an appositive. 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 An appositive renames a noun. And I always say, if you can put an equal sign, then you know you need a comma. And I said the signature sentence I've used ever since I've been teaching when I teach a positive. Miss James, my teacher, is nice. Where are we going to put a comma at?
Before and after my teacher.
Before and after my teacher. Because can we say, Miss James is nice?
Yeah.
Can we say, my teacher is nice?
Yeah.
Yes. And so you could take that out. And so a comma, pretty much, a comma sets off most of the time when we say not unnecessary information. It makes the sentence a lot clearer by pointing. The Chromebook, an electronic device, cannot be put in water. We're going to put a comma before an electronic device and after. Because guess what? The Chromebook equals an electronic device. You agree?
Yeah.
So that's where it comes. A positive renames it down. So can we say the Chromebook cannot be put in water? Yes. Can we say an electronic device cannot be put in water?
Yes.
Okay. Here's another sentence. This one says, Malvern, the county seat of Hot Spring County, had a population of less than 10,000 at the last census count. Just in a minute, we're going to talk about what census is, and you could figure out if your family has completed the census count or not. Why is county not capitalized?
Because you're not, like, you're talking about just any county.
Right. Why is it capitalized right here?
Because it's Hot Springs County.
Okay. How many people know that it's not Hot Springs County?
Now I do.
Now you do. It's Hot Spring County, okay? Hot Springs is a city, Hot Spring is the county. So we're gonna put a comma after Malvern and after county, because we can say Malvern had a population of less than 10,000 at the last census count, can't we? And can we also say the county seat of Hot Spring County had a population of less than 10,000 at the last census count?
Uh-huh.
Yes. So we know this is a positive. A positive does what?
Rename
Names a
it.
noun. And what does a noun or direct address do?
Save somebody's life.
Save somebody's life, because it lets us know what person we're talking to. That's just two ways to use a comma. We'll add other ways to use commas later in the week.